During World War One, artillery exposed soldiers to 185 decibels of sustained noise. For reference, a jet engine at 40 meters away is 140. And when soldiers lost their hearing, the military doctors at the time told them they were faking it. An estimated 30,000 British soldiers alone were deafened during the Great War, which is World War One. But doctors at the time called it soldiers' deafness, and many dismissed it as temporary. The medical establishment simply didn't understand what sustained high decibel noise does to the human ear. It had to take another world war to change things because during World War II, two researchers built specialized hospitals for soldiers with hearing damage. They refined the electronic audiometer, the machine that plays beeps at different frequencies while you press a button. And one of those researchers is now considered the father of audiology. The entire field exists because of wartime hearing loss. Today, tinnitus is the number one disability claim through the VA, and hearing loss is number two.